When we think of weightlessness or microgravitation experiments, I think the first thing that comes up of our mind will be doing experiment in the outer space or through the space shuttle. Yes, both the outer space and the space shuttle are very good places of doing microgravitation experiments, but they are too expensive and it's not practical for daily life. However, remember one thing, when something free falls, it is also weightlessness. This is a wireless visualizer. If I put something onto the visualizer, even when we move, we found that the image will not move. There is no relative movement when an object is moving. The wireless visualizer contains a wireless camera. Therefore, in this way, if we can use a wireless camera and put it in front of the object and free falling, you can capture all the behavior of the experiment during free falling. This is a wireless camera. These are the apparatus that we like to do experiment with. However, free falling of this one will break the apparatus very easily. Therefore, we need a box to protect the whole setup. This is a box to protect the whole setup. It contains two frictional packs and then also an air cushion trapped in between. Therefore, if I can put the apparatus onto the box and allow the box to fall down, when the box drops onto the ground, the air will be compressed. Friction will also work. In this way, the apparatus will be slowed down with a long sufficient time. In this way, the whole setup will be protected. Under weightlessness situation, that is when something is free falling, the behavior of the scalar, the reading of the scalar, I think everybody knows. The reading will tend to 0. However, how would the frame under weightlessness situation behaves? This is the setup to record the behavior of the candle frame under weightlessness situation. The setup contains a candle and a camera. Now I light up the candle. Under normal situation, because of the effect of convection, hot air rises and elongate the frame. Put the whole setup inside the protection box. Cover the box and drop from high levels. Now I'm going to release the box from 3rd floor. The whole setup will drop down from 3rd floor, free falling onto the ground. 4 students with the safety mask will catch the box on the ground. Before the candle, under free falling, the candle flame looked like an elongated frame. However, during free falling, it changed into a spherical frame. Do you know why the frame changed into a spherical in shape? Under normal situation, because of the effect of convection, hot air rises and elongate the frame. Under microgravity situation, hot air does not rise, cold air does not sink. The shape of the frame becomes spherical.